Mr. Burns.
What are you doing?
Nothing. You gonna pull this pan off?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, careful.
Almost.
Easy.
Almost.
Let's go in there and let's do. I just want to see how the bottom end looks, and then we can check everything. Let's try not to get too much gasket schmutz inside. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now pull up on the other side to unstick it. Here, go back here. All right, and we're gonna have to clean all this, and then we're gonna paint everything and reassemble. That'd be nice. I have the. Ooh, that's bending.
Yeah.
But we can hammer it straight again.
Yeah, we're gonna have to a little bit.
Yeah, it got gooped on pretty good. Whoever put it on. Go right along the edge. Tappy, tappy, tappy. Where's your bang bang? Where's your bang bang? Bang bang!
Bang bang went home.
Bang bang.
Okay, let's see.
There it goes. Tap it in. Just tap it in. There you go. There you go. Woo! Let's see here. Woo! There we go. Woo! All right. Looks pretty good. You can tell the rods have been balanced. Yeah, it's been balanced really nice. Look at. Everything's really, really nice. Timing set. Jordan, this timing set's close, but if you want to put, let's see if we can get a double roller for this, yeah? Just because, I mean, we're already in here, and it's not that much money. It'll be more accurate, but let's get that timing cover off and see. But look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at the pistons. Everything's looking good. There's no funky stuff. We're definitely gonna need to clean because there's gasket material in here, but easy enough. We'll turn it over, get the vacuum, do a little brake clean, get it all nice and clean. But yeah, looking good. Oh yay, more silicone. Once we get everything out and clean, it'll be good. But let's once we get this timing cover off, let's talk about this timing set. It's got a little bit of end play, not too much, but enough. Enough to drive me nuts. Pull out, Burnsy.
Oh, lots of silicone.
Yeah, it's okay. It'll get all cleaned up. All right, so there's definitely some end play in this timing set, but look at, we are pretty much TDC. So that's good.
These cars don't love new gaskets and new everything.
Yep, we'll put a nice timing set. Let me see if I can find us a double roller, and Jordan will get that coming for you. But yeah, we're about there to where we're just going to clean up and reassemble. Very nice.